I got a van right here, handicap van. Vibration or shaking when you accelerate, guys. All right, let's pod this thing up and see what we got. I got a check engine light on, and guys, I already scanned it. I got it misfiring cylinder 6, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go a step further in verifying that misfire. I got my misfire monitors pulled up. Now, sitting here at idle, the car is running. There's no misfire. But when I power brake it, I'm gonna put my foot on the gas and foot on the brake. Let's put it in gear. Let's see what happens. There you go. Y'all see cylinder 6 counting? Guys, we have a problem with cylinder 6. It could be a coil. It could be a wire. No, there's no wires. It could be a plug. We will not know until we check it out. So what I need y'all to do is stay freaking tuned. Because this is a handicap, let's verify. Let's see something. Okay, typical 3.6. Y'all know these handicap conversion vans be changing stuff. All right, let's get inside and start troubleshooting.